Here I have Samsung Galaxy M10 and let me show you how to optimize this device. So let me show you how to speed up the system on the following smartphone. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's open here the list of all apps, choose here settings, then from the following options select device maintenance. The device is scanning itself, so let's wait until the scanning will be completed, and here we've got some information. And what's also really important, you can use optimize now button, so you can optimize your device just by one click. So let me do it. Let's tap optimize now, and the device is closing some apps. The phone is finding some memory to free up, and here we've got the results, the optimized report. You can tap done. And basically that's it. Now your device has been optimized, so you can use your device in a better way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.